Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cool Beans. Today, for a Ramadan special, we are making samosas. Ramadan is the Muslim month of fasting. Every year, Muslims around the world fast from dawn to dusk. Ramadan is a time of family connections, charity, and prayer. So let's get right into the cooking. To start, we will need 2 cups of flour. Then we will need half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of carom seeds, and 2 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. One, 2. Now we are going to bring it over to our mixer. Every few minutes we're gonna open it and bring everything together. Okay. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of warm water. Now, as you can see, the dough is very firm, which is good. Now we are going to rest it for 10 minutes while we make the stuffing. Now we are going to get the ingredients for the stuffing. We will need 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 tablespoon dry coriander, 1 tablespoon chaat masala, which is found at many South Asian stores, 1 tablespoon dry mango powder, half teaspoon garam masala, which is also found at South Asian stores, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, and half a teaspoon salt. 1 cup of cilantro, half a cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. So we have 2 cups of boiled and slightly mashed potatoes, and we have a couple tablespoons of oil. First, we're going to put oil. Now we're going to add cumin seeds, ginger. Now we're going to add the potatoes, the mashed potatoes. Mix it around a bit. Now let's add all the dry spices. So now we're gonna add the cilantro and the onions. And if you want, you can also add green peas. Now let's mix it a bit more. Let's add the green peas and let it cool down. Now let's roll the dough. We have to press it at the sides to expand it. And then once we've done that enough, we'll drop it in the all-purpose flour. Take it out and start rolling. Switching sides. Once we've made it into this shape, we're going to cut it in half. So we'll fold this part and then put some water at this edge and fold this part on top. And we're gonna pick it up like a cone, and we're gonna stretch this side. Now we'll add the stuffing. A bit more. Now we're gonna press it down. Once you're done the stuffing, add water to one side and stick the two sides together. Repeat this step for however many samosas you want to make. Once you're done, we're going to fry it at medium-high heat until crisp golden brown. Wow, they're so nice and crunchy. So good. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.